Hello, my name is Laura. I live in my van that I converted myself, and I travel with Snuffkin and my two guinea pigs. So why don't you join me on my adventures? Here on my channel, Destination Unknown. Passport checks here this time. I just stopped for some lunch and it's 3 hours till mine. I'm gonna see how far I get. I'm gonna try. I kind of feel like just doing it, getting back. people. I have blue hair. Kind of. It's already going out. I have 2 weeks left of the house. I've already taken most of everything to a storage unit. And I've just filled up the van to go again tomorrow. And I started cleaning. Friends coming tomorrow to help clean some stuff ready. Yeah. It's feeling alright. My mum was here and helped a lot. Like, she did loads with me and like got rid of loads of stuff at the dump, you know, that needed doing. And a big job was clearing out the garage because it was like a bomb after like building the van. I just left it. So yeah. And it's finally hot in Sweden. All of a sudden, it's like 20, 25. Of course, when I gotta like lug loads of stuff around, but you know, whatever. Trying to think it's a good workout. Yeah. Just whacked my head putting all the stuff in the van. And now I've loaded it, I need to carry on cleaning really the house. I did the conservatory, but I gotta clean all the glass in the conservatory, and it needs a hoover again after that anyway, but whatever, I'll hoover again like in a week. Yeah, just trying to go room to room, like emptying it, and yeah, but it's hard. Like, still got the TV and sofa and the bed upstairs in one room, so it's like only one room that's empty upstairs, my bedroom where I sold the big bed. I'm hoping to keep that small bed for myself later, but I'm kind of second guessing whether I actually want it. It's kind of uncomfortable. Maybe I should just sell it and get another one later. I don't know. I'll decide in like a week. Spot what doesn't belong here.